Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, let's take a look at this 2019 Toyota Avalon Limited. It is in the windshield pearl exterior with the graphite leather interior. And as far as our options go, we do have the special color clear paint protection film hood and door package, carpet mats and phone charger for a total of $44,380. Gas mileage is going to be 22 city, 31 highway, and 25 combined. Looking down here on our wheels, we're riding on Bridgestone Turanza tires. These are going to be our 18-inch alloys. Then coming around back, as you can see, dual outlet exhaust, limited badging as well. You do have smart key access on the Avalon, so just keep the key fob on you and hand behind the door handle to unlock. Coming in, only 3 miles on this one, so just put your foot on the brake, press your button to start, and your seat will auto recall. Let's check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath the hood, we have the 3.5 liter V6. It's dual overhead cams featuring D4S direct import fuel injection, producing 301 horsepower and 267 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Now let's go ahead and check out the interior. Coming over here to your side mirror, it is going to be body color with your turn signal indicators, clear paint protection film, blind spot monitoring, and they are auto dimming. Checking out that graphite leather interior, it is going to be fully perforated for heated and vented functions, as well as fully power, connected to your 2-person memory on your door. Speaking of which, you do also have that graphite leather over here on your door, all automatic windows, power locks, power mirrors, and storage below that. Now stepping in, over here to the left of the wheel, we do have that automatic high beam activation, traction control, heated steering wheel, and your power tilt and telescoping function. Coming to that steering wheel, it is going to be a 2-tone leather wrapped wheel with your 4-way D-pad for your center LCD as well as your heads-up display, Bluetooth phone, voice commands, and volume. Over on the right, dynamic radar cruise, lane departure alert with steer assist, mode, and seek. On your stalk over here, automatic headlights, as well as your tap to 3 links blinkers and your high beams. Then over on the right, variable intermittent speed wipers. Coming to your audio system, we do have AM, FM, XM, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth streaming audio all going through your premium JBL head unit. Going to your menu, you do have your destination input right here with navigation. As far as the search goes, it is a one search for all, so you can just do a quick search like Target, and it will bring you to the closest Target. Now, if you had a specific address, you could also insert that into the same text box, or a city, street, or just a town if you would like to do that. So it's pretty much like a Google search. Going home, you do have the split screen view that you can customize, and then going to your menu, this is where your Apple CarPlay projection is going to be when you do have a phone set up. Below that, tri-stage heated and vented seats, and also your dual zone auto climate control that you can sync. You can also manually control your fan speed and zones right there. Below that, you do have storage with your wireless charger underneath there. And this is going to be that 8-speed automatic with your sport mode and manual shift. Reverse does give you your rear backup camera on your audio display, as well as your drive modes, brake hold feature, and your power parking brake. With cup holders, stitched armrest, as well as 2 charging USBs and your audio inputs. Glove box damped with your owner's manuals and phone charger in there. With your auto dim mirror, garage home link integrated in. Mirror and vanity light on your sun visor. With your automatic sunroof, you also do have your mood lighting, map lights, and your SOS Safety Connect. Going ahead and closing that up. That just about wraps up the front seat. Let's check out the rear. Coming back here, that same graphite leather interior, as well as all your door panel materials following through with your padded stitched leather, automatic window and door storage. Now climbing in, front seat 7 by 5'9" frame and plenty of room, plenty of footroom as well. Dual seat mount pockets as well as dual vents, dual charging USBs, and heated outboard seats. Now between those heated seats, you do have a nice armrest that's padded and stitched with cup holders and storage, as well as adjustable headrest. Up top, we do have damped cornering handles and coat hooks, and some map lights. Nice view of the dash right there. And we'll go ahead and check out the cargo area and we'll wrap up our video. Now coming around back, you have your rear backup camera and your membrane to open up your trunk underneath your Avalon logo right there. Nice lined trunk lid with emergency release up top, as well as 60/40 folding rear seats via the levers on either side. Now underneath your cargo floor you do have your temporary spare tire and jack, as well as your cargo net and front license plate bracket right there. Plenty of room and a nice wide opening for luggage or golf clubs. And that about wraps it up for the 2019 Toyota Avalon Limited. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the models out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again guys, this is Garrison over at Massey and I will see you in my next video.